Everyone keeps on asking me about the D-Rose 1.5 resto mods and when they're coming out stateside. Unfortunately, I don't have that answer for you guys. But thanks to some nice people and good friends over in the Philippines, I do have something to show you guys today. So, who wants to see what's inside here? I know I do. I've been waiting for this package for a hot minute, so I'm super excited to take a look inside and see with my own two eyes all the goodness that's in here. Okay, so it's double packed. All right, let's... Oh, this is a receipt for all the different items. Okay, so there's a couple extra things in here that I purchased because I wanted to add on to what I was getting while I was making this order and this transaction. But let's show the things everyone wants to see first, all right? And that is, oh man, the D-Rose 1.5 Resto mods with Light Strike. Wow. Oh yeah, that's beauty. Oh, there's a little bit of scuffs here on the back of the 3 stripes, but you know, that's sometimes quality control. If Adidas can be like that, let's come off. Yeah, I can probably get this off. I got my ways upstairs to clean these off, but it's rubbing off for the most part. But man, look at these, man. Wow. And the midsole foam, it's a little bit thicker. I have a pair of ones sitting up there to look at, but man. So guys, this is not going to be an in-depth review. This is just going to be an unboxing video. I'll do a review separate for you guys here in the future, but I really want to just take a look at these real quick with you guys and just sharing the excitement to see this resto mod, man. The toe box, this is cool, man. This is so cool. So the wrapping paper in here too is the D-Rose wrapping paper that you would see in the Son of Shy box. So that's really cool. Man, that's dope. So I'm gonna put this down here so I can take a look at, you know, that here in a second. But man, wow. That's so crazy. They did a resto mod of the Rose 1.5s in the most sought after colorway, y'all. Like, that's just, dude, that's amazing, man. All right, so these are what everyone really cares to see. But let's see what else we got in this unboxing video. Oh yeah, okay, so I'll show you guys that stuff next after I show you guys this. So this is the box for these. Let's tear this open, but be careful with this because I don't want to mess up this box. Okay, all nice and broken down. I can fold this back up, but man, look at that. Man, that's cool. So I'm about to build this and put this back together, and I'll put this here for you guys to see come the review. But that's the box for them. I also had to buy some, you know, apparel since you can't buy D-Rose apparel stateside. I had to buy some stuff, you know, from overseas. And what's cool is I bought this D-Rose shirt here that, if I tear this open, I'll be able to show you guys this actual design. Oh, this is pretty, man, I haven't seen a graphic like that on a Rose shirt in a long time. Oh, man. But, look at this, man. It's a cool, dope D-Rose shirt right here. You got, so the cool thing about this shirt from what I see is this is a image of Derek from back during the Rose 2 campaign. Because that's from all that marketing. This there's a shoe outsole on here. You see there's 2 shoe outsoles on here. You can see one of these is definitely from the Rose 10s. The other one is the 3 stripes. That's on the heel, the 1.5s. That could also be on the 4s, but I'm pretty sure that's the 1.5 or the 1s. This is showing something from the 2s here as well. Interesting. Sure, it has, you know, Rookie of the Year, All-Star, all the All-Star appearances, 10,000 career points, MVP, Rebuild and Evolve. Where one chapter ends, the next one begins. So that's super dope. So that's cool. Happy I picked that up. Other shirt I picked up too. Open this one up for you guys so you can see as well. Is this D-Rose 25 shirt, and then same here on the back as well. It's got the Rose 25 in this teal colorway. This shirt would go really well with the with that one pair of Son of Shies, the first ones that released stateside at least. You could match it up with these two actually if you wanted, which is actually pretty cool. Those ones have like a chest piece on, but you guys will see that in the review here eventually. But yeah, so I got that shirt, and then the thing that I'm kind of most excited about, I wanted to get these in the same color as the shirt, but they didn't have them, but they did have these black ones. These Rose shorts. I've liked seeing these, and like when I've seen pictures posted online or in like the Adidas Talk Philippines or the D-Rose sneakers page from the Philippines. So it's cool to cop a pair of these and to have. And yeah, you know, it's not, honestly, you know, buying stuff from overseas is not anything I've really delved into too much when it comes to the Rose line. It's something I've wanted to do, but nothing, you know, really made me want to do it until this. And this pair, man, I highly doubt Adidas is going to not release this stateside. And to clarify the way I said that, because that was kind of backwards English, I'm positive that Adidas will eventually release these stateside. I just don't know when. Because this is a colorway and a model and a resto mod of the most like popular Rose shoe. When the 1.5's retro last time, that black and red colorway pretty much sold out online. So I find it, you know, hard to believe that they will not resto mod this in the stateside, or, you know, they won't release this in the stateside, you know. So hopefully we'll have a release date here sometime soon, guys. But until then, stay tuned, because later this week I will be giving you a full review and detailed look at this shoe and let you guys know what I think about feel, comfort, size, fit, all those things we talked about back in December. I'm going to give you the actual, you know, information about in that video. So look forward to seeing that. And then too, for the people in the comments that have been asking about Son of Shy reviews or the Rose 11 reviews and a Rose 4 Resto Mod performance review, just know that you may be seeing me again this week with a unboxing video. So fingers crossed there. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for your support, and I also want to thank again John and Urriah. You got just huge help. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for working with me to figure out how to get a pair of these in my hands. I'm so happy to have a pair just so I can review and show to the people, and I can, you know, interact with the rest of you guys online as well too. Just, you know, every day God just reminds me of reasons why, you know, I'm so blessed, and it's just amazing. So thank you very much. Huge shout out to y'all. You know, go follow, you know, Instagram right here for John. And if you guys want to, you know, reach out to him online, I'll be giving him a huge shout out in the Adidas Philippines page, because that's, I mean, getting all this stuff shipped to me and, you know, smooth transaction, I couldn't complain, you know, so super grateful. And yeah, just, you know, it's a blessing, guys. So look forward to seeing you guys for the review, and until next time, guys, peace. Have a great rest of your day. Tune into their Rose 11 reviews in case you guys have missed those. Go and check them out. I've had a couple, you know, more. And if you guys have noticed and, you know, want to leave a comment down below if you made it to the end of the video, which one of the shoes that's on the D-Rose clock right now do you want to see me review next? Do you want to be a pair of Son of Shies? Do you want to be a pair of Rose 11s? Of course, I'm going to go do these next. But let me know what you guys want. Until then, I'll see you guys around later. Bye. I'm happy I went with the 10. If you wear that 10, get that 10, baby. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that. Yeah, I don't even got a speed wrap on yet. That 10 is. Oh, that 10 is love. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Man, I feel like a kid, man. I feel like a kid. Feel like a kid, y'all. Man, oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. Rose 1.5, baby. Oh, I can see the commercial in my head right now with like the middle finger. Man. Wow. 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 I need another pair. I really hope they release these stateside, because I need to buy a second pair of this color.